हरिः कर्ता।
Before we move to advanced indexing and indexatrix, I would like to take you through the broadcasting rules of ND array. So, broadcasting allows universal functions to deal in a meaningful way with inputs that do not have exactly the same shape. The first rule of broadcasting is that if all input arrays do not have the same number of dimensions, let's take a 1 will be repeatedly prepended to the shapes of the smaller arrays until all the arrays have the same number of dimensions. That's the first one. And second rule of broadcasting ensures that arrays with a size of 1 along a particular dimension act as if they had the size of the array with the largest shape along that dimension. So the value of the array element is assumed to be the same along the dimension for the broadcast array. So after application of the broadcasting rules, the sizes of the all arrays must match. So I request you to explore more about the broadcasting if you are if you are if you'll be if you are working on computer vision.